Alright, so today is the 6th of April. 6th of April, nice. Start streaming, wicked. Okay. I think we're up and running now. Let's get this there. Okay, welcome everyone. Right, so welcome everyone. We are ready to start the session over here. Let me just get this. Just get a second. Okay. Okay, so yeah, welcome everyone. So today, oh wow, the news is actually looking okay, which is nice to see. My room right now is freezing. Holy shit. But yeah, let's take a look then at GJ. So GJ right now, let me just get UDJPY and stuff. Looks like there was some push later on in the day yesterday here, which looked kind of nice. What was that for? Looked kind of nice, but yeah, let's just take a look at GJ first. So GJ right now, daily time frame is bullish. Okay, that's nice to see. It's nice to see. Let me just get this on here. Yep, so daily time frame is bullish, which is good. Starting to make some good support to continue to the highs again at 164, which is good to see. Let's move this on there. Okay, so daily is very bullish. Exceeded the high of the previous already. Nice. The 4 hour looks like it's relaxed a little bit, which kind of sucks. The last one closed doji. Yeah, the last one closed doji, so not really too nice. If you look on the hourly, the 30-minute and the 50-minute now, start to see some sort of levels here. So for me right now, before breaking high works a lot. NYC. Yeah, later NYC, that was it. Looking like there's a current support which is held right now, which is 161764 right here. Looks like there's also a sorry, let me just move my MetaTrader a little bit further down. There we go. Good morning everyone on YouTube. So yeah, looking like the support over here is there. Resistance right now, I mean, it kind of sucks for where the resistance is. You can start to see that the main resistance is right around this area here. There's like 14 pips in the high there. But yeah, so it's kind of like, do you want to get in here? I mean, this is the 30-minute resistance right there. So that could be okay to continue. See, look what that looks like on the hourly. Yeah, maybe. It's just this area here kind of sucks at 2 o'clock. But for me, this is kind of the main resistance, I suppose, right now. So I'm just going to leave it right there. So yeah, just in a little range right now. Breaks above and below could be okay. Sells below would be okay, but the issue is that the daily is still very bullish. So yeah, let's take a look at Goldie and AJ. Someone says that there's already been a gold trade. Okay.
Yeah, I'm in one now. Flip of the candle.
Yeah. Looks pretty good to continue. Nice closure below.
Yeah, stop loss tight too.
Yeah, and the high of the previous
stop loss at only 12 pips, so
yeah, should be good. Continue down.
good for risk now.
Yeah, it should be nice to continue down at 1917 maybe. So if you guys are in this trade, yeah, it could be okay. If you look at the hourly, the only issue is these wicks, man. So knowing that these wicks are here, you gotta just hope it can push, continue. You know, at least is a closure below, which is grand.
Yeah, I'm guessing it will fill those.
Yeah.
Well, not guessing them. Well, gold usually does that. So because we have that break below.
Yeah, exactly. So that should be okay. It should continue down. On the high perspective of things, let's take a look on the 4 hour. So 4 hour is bearish right now. The daily is also bearish. The last one closed bearish as well. So got the higher time frames with you. Yeah, that's kind of nice. That's pretty good. Morning, everyone. Yeah, so that's pretty nice for me. Obviously, I missed that a little bit there, but if you guys are in that trade, if you got in on the flip here, yeah, you should be good. Maybe stops us to break even kind of soon, because you're up like 7 pips. Yeah, coming to them wicks. It's hard, man, with them wicks. You want to hold on a little bit so you can get there, but you don't want to hold it too long to get slapped. AJ, Jesus Christ, he's not stopped fucking going up. Oh my god. Okay, so AJ, the daily time frame bullish again. Shock, the 4 hour over here is pushing up. Did anyone take any trades yesterday through NY? We took a GJ 3 pip loss, so that's pretty good. Yeah, ma'am. I hope you catch a 999 million pip move with a 10 lot. Yeah, that would be pretty nice. That would be pretty nice. Okay, so resistance is 94.032. Support is at 93.620 kind of level. So it's just in a consolidation range here now. So yeah, buys above could be interesting later on, maybe. So let's take a look at GJ right now. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's kind of hard for GJ and that, but yeah, could be okay. Looking like gold is coming back up now, so this is when you got to decide, you know, do you want to hold this on? 30 minutes is still reasonable, so that's not too bad. Yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, let me just meet this guy because I'm gonna convo with him right now. There we go. So yeah, nothing's like really coming to the eye right now, but yeah, if you guys took them golds, are you getting out now? Are you kind of being a bit cautious now? Could always think
Or in break even.
yeah, I think that's reasonable because the wicks here are just scary, man. If you get in there, you just put break even, see how far it can run.
I think a lot of it was as well was the wicks had filled the zone as well.
Yeah.
So I could tend to stay away when the zone is completely filled with a wick. It gives me less. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a small zone, isn't it? Really.
Yeah. It's good for a quick scalp. Got good stops.
Yeah, exactly. Nice little drive. Hope it continues. If it doesn't, then just break even.
Yeah.
Do we need a 1 hour closure? Yeah. I think we need a closure below 1917, I think. Just look at this area, man. It's respected so many times. It actually hurts. Look at this. Like 20 pips. Like, you know, this area here. 1 second. This area here is 20 pips, and it's fucking rejected like 45 times. Like holy shit! Look at that. So yeah. To fill that wick and head towards daily low, if it goes any higher, then yeah, tricky. Yeah, exactly. Gotta be careful now, so. You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful with these little gold trades there. You gotta get in and out very, very quickly and just don't hold the trade on, just hoping. Yeah, that 5-minute closure above there. Oof. That was your warning to get out. That was your warning to get out of there. I didn't watch the football last night. Damn, man. I watched the City game. Didn't watch the fucking Liverpool game. The City game was fucking tactical as hell. Holy shit. Soccer sucks, man. No, it does not. There's so many tactical like things. There's like fucking golf and shit. There's nothing. It's just hit the ball the hardest, basically.
I guess you've never played golf before.
Mate, golf, you just look how far it is. Okay, right, let me use the fucking driver. Let me twat it a bit. Right, great. That's all it is. AJ looks better than GJ. Yeah, looks okay. Looks okay. Ride the highs again. I hate buying right at the fucking highs, though. But anyway, we'll see. So yeah, yesterday's GJ trade, I'll take a look, show you what happened. So where was it? So yeah, I've taken 3 losses actually this week already, which is kind of a lot. But one of them was 3 pips, one of them was 5 pips, one of them was 10. So yeah, and then yesterday I took a gold buy, which I made 45 pips on. It was a double lot as well, so I made like 8% of that trade. And then I also had another gold one, I think, a couple of days ago. So I'm up quite a lot for the week, even though the GJ has not been paying. Where is it? So let's see if I've got the 30-minute. Yeah, okay. So this candle here closed above. So I was like, right, if we make a low wick over here and then start flipping, we're gonna drive to continue. And yeah, it didn't. It fucked about for ages here, and I managed to close it at 3 pips drawdown. So managed that nicely. I was very happy with that. But yeah, GJ's been pretty crap this week, to be honest with you. It's been not the nicest moves at all. I want some sells, man. I'm sick of taking fucking buys again. I want my sells. Sells are so much easier. Please start trading US 30. It moves more than anything. Yeah, I know. Brian just also caught another move yesterday. Man, you're fucking smashing them moves, man. Oh. But like, that's so obvious. Like, that is so easy. It's just a closure below, wait for the top wick and just drive. Clean.
That's what I said. I'll only trade it when the 4-hour wick is clean. That's it.
Yeah. How fucking easy
If you
is
start
that?
hunting for a trade on the 15 minutes and stuff, you're just looking for anxiety. The 4 hours clean. Just take the trade.
Yeah, 30 pips stop as well. How much did you close here?
183 pips.
Oh my god.
That's the target.
What?
That's my target.
What, full position at 183?
No, 70. It was like 76. I took partial because there was a 50-minute zone that I didn't like battle with, which are those 2 green lines. And the rest it ran in like 2 minutes.
Jesus, man. Fuck.
2 minutes. Fuck. Yeah. Maybe a lifetime has to come, Brian. We need to learn this shit, boy. This guy needs a new mic. Is that Brian? Yeah, Brian sounds like he's in a goldfish tank. AJ potential? Yeah, maybe later on, but not yet. I don't think. He's coming towards a little bit of resistance. Yeah, I don't really like how the 4-hour closed not really above either. So yeah, we'll see. I sent on Discord. Let's take a look. Yo, Max, can you go over a loss I took earlier? Yes. Okay. Nice. This is what I want to see. I want to see some losses, boy. Right. Kim Jong Un. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Okay. So GJ on the 5 minutes, 30 minutes created a bottom wick and flipped and broke previous high. 1 hour was above resistance. Clean traffic to the left. Was there clean traffic to the left? So this is at 1 a.m. Let me just see where this is, but it doesn't look like there's clean traffic to the left. Why do I not see that there's clean traffic to the left, really? Well, you're on the 5 minute, and you can see this 5 minute resistance right there. That's where it's tapped. So let me just take a look over here on GJ. GJ 5 minutes. Take a look where it was. Okay, it was here. It was up here. Okay, so it was at like 6:30, 6:45. Let's take a look. Okay, well you can see that you're trying to buy pretty much a bit too early, I'd say. You know, for GJ 6:15, 6:30. There's barely many moves there at all. Also, I mean, you can see here the 15-minute, the 30-minute hasn't closed above the 30-minute resistance, which is 161,987. So that doesn't work as well in your favor. If this candle closed a bit more bullish above, like, you know, here, then that would be nice for the next one to continue over here, but it didn't, which kind of sucks. Didn't close above, and on the 15-minute time frame, this candle here at 6:30 was a warning sign. I always tell people about these candles there. If they close doji, you know, even though it closed a little bit bullish, you know, it's losing a bit of volume, not volume, so volatility, momentum, so it can suck pretty bad. So yeah.
That's kind of what happened to us yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah, I kind of just lost a little volume. Yeah.
But then we got the management of risk was good though.
Yeah.
3 pips.
Yeah, it was good it did that, but it was good as well. Like, even for people just getting out, like, when time went on, like when the trade goes on for a longer period of time, then damn, you just get out of it, you know.
Yeah. I still haven't figured out what turtle soup means.
Yeah, same.
Still haven't fucking told us.
Yeah, I have no idea what it is. Dude, is he in here today? No. NAG needs to close it above 94 for me. Yeah. Yeah, me too. This is close right of resistance there. I ain't playing on that. Yeah, let's take a look at some more questions on YouTube. Monomator GJ Cells looks on at the break of 738. What was that? 738. Yeah, I mean, see, look on the 15-minute now. Yeah, I mean, this zone I may come into if it breaks these lows here. Could be kind of nice. 27 pips, pretty much, into the next zone. See, that could be interesting. Closures below here, 740, 750. That could be kind of nice. Oh, why is my room so fucking cold? My God, I'm freezing. Why the heat in work, boy? Yeah, that could be kind of interesting. 8 o'clock if we close bearish here. That could be kind of nice. So we'll see there. Total soup is a run on liquidity. Someone just said. A run on liquidity. Why are people making this like a fucking challenge to get? Like, just tell me what it is.
I posted a link from Urban Dictionary.
Urban Dictionaries.
Yeah.
Oh God, Vincent, fuck's sake.
What is it?
Fuck's sake.
I'm not even checking it.
It's quite funny, but it's not that bad.
It leaves you wanting more, so maybe it's that.
Oh God, don't even check it right now. Are in GJ sell side? No, I'm not in any trades right now. I'm waiting for trades to set up right now. 9 minutes left. Hopefully we get this closure below. I kind of prefer that because the 4 hours is getting a bit nasty. Someone says, lol, I'm serious. It's an ICT term. That's what Tom said. Wait.
Someone did say that. It's
Yeah,
ICT.
someone said it's an ICT. But that's not giving me anything. It's not giving me anything. It's like a fucking puzzle. Where the fuck was he even said?
Lower than that, I think.
Oh, I have no idea.
It might be on setups, actually.
Someone said it's a ICT term. I was like, what the fuck what does that even mean?
It's on setups.
Oh, it's on setups. Okay, I'll take a look. Would you consider gold on the 30-minute flip? No, unfortunately not. this zone here for me is too much of a rejection zone. I'd want sells below 1917 for me. We got a little drive down just before if you just came late, and people were in this trade here. Came down over here to nearly 10 pips, but then came back. It's just this area. Like, look, it's already wicked in that area. Don't really want to be playing in that area. So yeah, what's your bias in GJ, bro? I mean, the overall trend is still bullish, but we are kind of rejecting kind of hard because the 4 hours closed very doji. The 4 hour now is, you know, broken the lows as well, and it's starting to come down. So I mean, if you get a closure here, I'm happy to take sells to fill that wick. I think that'd be nice for me. So I have to see. Yeah, I bought that new Lego Star Wars game, man. I need to fucking bash it now. Good morning, everyone. Drop a like on the stream. Yeah, let me just fix this heater because I'm gonna die from freezing this over here. Is that better now? Can you guys hear me? What? No.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh, you can hear me now. Okay. Instead I was muted. Max is 4'10". Pass it on. I'm a 4'10". Okay, 30 minutes flipped over here. It's potentially trying to do it again in that area, but yeah, damn, it's gonna be hard. Max is 4'10". Oh my god. Brian sold the mystery, yeah. I don't understand why both Owanda and FXCM charts have not have that doji. Yeah, it kind of sucks, to be honest with you. Looking at that, if that's like the 4 hours closed bullish and it's actually also closed bullish above, then that kind of sucks for these sells over here. So probably look for buys, really. I want GJ to come a little bit, gold to come a little bit further, because this area for me is just a no go, man. Like down here maybe, but damn, I don't want to be taking sells there. That level of support is beefy. So yeah, guys, make sure to send some more charts in the Discord. I want to take a look at some more losing trades that we can work on. Oh, this is a 740 as well. Okay, let's take a look. So GJ, wow, this is a some beautiful chart work over here. So we've got consolidation, not clear range, risky sells. Okay, risky sells below 163.50. I think you mean 161.50 there. Daily very bullish. Yeah, risky sells below 161.100. Yeah, that would probably be better range as well. Risky buys above 163, 113. Better buys above 163.6. Okay, so risky buys above 163.13. Why are they risky? Let's take a look. Where the fuck was that? What day was that on? Where's it today? Oh, he's doing 163. He's fucking confusing me. So 162.13. Yeah, I don't think they're risky. I don't think buys above here would be that risky. Take a look to the left. Maybe to the left it's very risky. Let's take a look. Now, if you break above 162, you should potentially fill to 162.240, and then 162.600. This is the main zone area that we want to fill. All this area in here, so that's kind of nice. That's kind of nice. I think he means it's a tighter window, not riskier. Yeah, yeah. If not a 10-pip window. Yeah, that makes sense. Gold, okay, potential sales below 1917. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, I think. Kind of clean traffic down would be nice. That's what we're looking for. Buys above 1925 as well. Yeah, that looks pretty good to continue back up. Yeah, it looks good, man. Nice chart work. Nice chart work. Oh, we're getting a lot more over here, guys. Nice. So GJ buys above candle closure 162.115. Nice. Sells below 161.893. Beautiful. I'll have the 4 hour with you, so that's good. Nice. Very, very simple. Oh, time. This is in the 30-minute time frame. Looking for sales below 19. Is that 1921 or 1917? 1917. Yeah, so it looks like we're all got the same idea here, just waiting for the setups to come over here. Yeah, for sure. Did that goal continue or not? Yeah, it came back up over here, so just be careful with that gold area. As I say, just if you've got wicks to the left here, just, you know, acknowledge them.
I figured out the tail soup. I just saw some patterns.
Well, after Brian's statement there, it kind of makes sense. It's when price will do this. So price will come down, it'll break the lows, come here, make a support, and then continue back up, and you take a buy there. Tail soup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or it was like so. This.
Yeah. I like that. Yeah, yeah. Tail soup.
Yeah, that's why I asked him yesterday, is it like when lows and highs get swept? So it's like when they're respecting and then just a little break to take out liquidity and then it continues.
Yeah, yeah.
Which makes sense, like the picture, like your gold trade, it makes sense. Like that's probably what it was. So.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Damn, I won't be able to join London stream with you guys anymore. I got a job. I want to trade for a living like you, but it's safer to get a job and trade NY. Beautiful. Yeah, I think that's really good, you know. Just taking the easy option right now is good, you know. The good thing is you got a lot of time, and also if you can do NY later on, then that's great, you know. You don't have to do the whole, oh yes, I'm just full-time trading, blah blah blah, you know. Having a job takes a lot of the stress off, so for sure. Takes a lot of the stress off, so I advise that, you know. Yeah, I was thinking for me recently about like a job and stuff, and like I don't know, I'm thinking about it because it's like my issue I have is that if I wanted to do this forever, then I could do this forever. The only issue is that I'd have no real fun throughout the throughout my life, really, through work. I'll be on my fucking computer the whole time. That is the only drawback. So I think actually some, you know, jobs and stuff, as long as you enjoy it and it's got like a good community and it's quite a high pay and, you know, nice, you know, it is worth it doing it at certain points in your life. I think trading is made for people who have already got a family, a kid, you know, they've had a good time through their, you know, hard job and now they can chill at home. So I think people getting in too early, it's like, you know, don't rush it, man. because you know, like the work office banter. I mean, obviously we do have banter on here quite a lot, but it's not the same when it's not in person, you know. But then I suppose most jobs now are through fucking Zoom anyway, so has its drawbacks and benefits, I suppose. AJ's coming back up over here. No, Max, you don't want to work. So gold coming back again, but damn, people are holding these gold trades now. Like, you know, just you know, if you got in at some point, just take it off and relax. So AJ, the hour didn't close above. The 4 hours looking like it's pushing above though, so interesting. Probably wait for this next 15 to close above. We'll see. We'll see. Sub Max, sub, my boy. That is exactly my plan. I've never planned to make signals because everybody's in a different psychological point. 5 to 8% on a 200k account, you're more than good. Exactly, man. Exactly. I took about 5 pips in gold low my risk before entering. Nice, Deacon, man. Really good work. Scraped a little bit of it over here. AJ's pumping up. You got to pump it up. GJ should follow over here. Yeah, GJ should follow. Where would stops be right now if you got in? Oof, 11 pips on the lows. Breaking at the highs the previous 15 whilst flipping the 4 hour. Could be aggressive there. Could be kind of aggressive, but could kind of work, especially with what AJ's doing. Flipping the 4 hour time frame now. So yeah, I probably will. I'm gonna probably paper trade that. So you'd get in here, stop loss would be below this area, so like 10 pips, which is on the lows of the areas, which is kind of nice. Expecting price to drive back up to at least 983, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that was kind of nice. And what I've got, I'm obviously paper trading this, but the reason why I kind of wanted to paper trade it is because I looked at AJ. AJ's already pumping, and normally the other one follows. So it's just a little thing that I'm looking at. The 30-minute also exceeded the high with 8 o'clock volume, so kind of nice. So if you were in this trade, right, so here stops 11 pips. When you're coming up to these areas here, you got to put stop loss to break even, okay? Because you know it could reject you. You got 8 o'clock volume though, so you should be okay. But you can't just hold your trade on in them areas, okay? It's still a pressure, but it should be a professional behavior. Yeah, exactly. What I would say in the funded thing is just trade for a while to get like a little buffer, and then when there's a bad month, you can survive it. Did you take this trade? No, I'm just paper trading it. I just want to see how it would work, and if people are in this trade, how I could help you guys out in it, because kind of nice. I mean, I like the rejection wicks from the support of the zone. These 30-minute time frames pushing back up, exceeding the high of the previous, and now the hourly starting to push. But yeah, the traffic is kind of not clean, so that's why I didn't really take it. But I just want to see if it would work. I'm still waiting for sells below 1917. Yeah, exactly. Stops are pretty nice. 36 likes, guys. Make sure you get the likes up on the stream. Oh my god. Gold impulse sells. Gold impulse sells on the 5-minute. Yes, impulse sells on the 5-minute. Oh, I don't know. To me, this is looking like a little bit of consolidation here. I don't think I'd want to take the trades there, unfortunately. Oh, another subscriber over here. Thank you very much for subscribing. MMMBKU. Nice. So yeah, I'll see. How's this doing? So I mean, how far did it go into profit? I'm just thinking if I paper traded this. So it went into 6 pips profit. That's not too bad. Now coming back below. So if this candle over here rejects these highs and starts closing below here, shit, I'm taking sales, boy. What's your gamble entry on gold, bro? Gamble entry? I'm not fucking gambling anything, boy. I just want probably a 30-minute closure below 1917. Oh, thank you very much, Ellie Johnson, for subscribing. That shit sounded like it said, what? No cease if my broke ass can't afford it. Still looking okay though over here. Not too bad. 5-minute close bullish. Just made the low wick over here. Should potentially continue maybe soon, which would be nice. So yeah, I'll show you how I might manage risk now. So if you were in this trade, which I know some of you probably are, is so now look right, the 50-minute and 30-minute are coming up to this resistance. It's like a pip away. So do you really want to be losing this trade now? Hell no. So stop loss to break even, okay? Stop loss to break even. Hoping that it's going to continue. I mean, at this point now, you could potentially take your trade off, man, because it is right at resistance. You're in 8 pips profit. So yeah. It may be able to break with the London volume, but you know, that's the level that it should reject, really. Especially in the 30-minute over here. Tap the 30-minute body of the candle, so. Yeah. For sure, man. And there you go. 10 pips. So if anyone caught that over here, congrats. I wish I did. So I had a little bit of a pullback, but never went too badly in drawdown, really. Back to like 3 pips drawdown. Nice. Will you be looking to get in on the 50-minute on AJ or 30-minute close? Yeah, I mean, we'll see. I don't know, to be honest with you. I don't like getting in way too high, but we'll see. Yeah. Bro, when you say stop loss to break even, do you place it to your like 10 pips above entry? No. Stop loss to break even means I'm putting my stop loss at the entry of where I entered. So 1 pip in profit. So if it comes back to you, you know, you're not losing anything on the trade. And then this also hit 10 pips, so I would be closing like 80%, and then I'd probably close 85-90% here and just hope it can continue for the little runner. If it does, then nice. I'm gonna get another 21 pips. So yeah, that's kind of how I'd paper trade that.
Taxi boy.
Hello, Finny boy. How you doing, man?
Not too bad, mate. Not too bad. Yourself?
Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, wouldn't GJ fucking do some nice moves, man? I mean, that was kind of nice. I should have maybe done that, but yeah, the managing the risk yesterday. Were you on it? It was kind of later on. Yesterday, was it later on?
I went and saw Carl Barron yesterday, the comedian.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was so good.
Was it?
Yeah, he's a pisser.
Yeah, man. I like to go see more comedians, to be honest.
It is good.
Yeah.
We were working out how much money we reckon he made. So there's 2,896 seats or something at $70 a ticket, which is like 200k.
Yeah.
And he does 10 shows, and every single show was booked out. But I reckon the venue would probably take, I don't know, what, 30% maybe?
Yeah, I wouldn't know how that would work. But then also, it's like does he have like merch or like shit like you buy like when you go
he's got merch.
Yeah, man.
I reckon he'd make over $1 million in this 2 weeks.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. I think the merch is where they make their money, and like their food and drink, like fuck, if he gets a cut of that, like the food and drink is spenny at them places. It's never cheap.
Yeah.
Like a fucking like a pint glass of like beer is like £8 or something for me. And like music places and shit. That would be the life, man.
Still well.
I don't know, man. Being a comedian would be fucking hard work. It's not an easy. I mean, if you're funny yourself, but shit, like, imagine if people just don't vibe with it.
I should be a fucking comedian. I'm funny as fuck.
Break even who entered this 30-minute trade GJ buys. Yeah, I wish I took them fucking buys now. It was just, it's in the zone. It was a bit like, yeah, but I kind of like the stop. I just saw the stop. I was like, oh, it's literally on the low of the levels here. Nice, big, solid candles coming. Raja is a natural comedian. Raja is quite funny, actually. Yeah. I don't know. And would they change it every week or every venue? Nah, there must be repeating shit.
The jokes, you mean?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know, but all I know is I was in stitches for about 2 hours. So he's all these jokes. So he just roasts people.
Does he? Yeah.
People he's seen.
Full on roast them.
That's quality.
Are you willing to go in the next 15? Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Wish I got on that fucking 15. 30 minutes is more accurate above. Yeah, man.
Oh, gold!
What? Oh my god. Oh yeah, gold's closing soon, maybe.
Just dumped.
1916. Let's take a look.
Jesus.
Oof. Yeah, man. If this makes a nice top wick on the next candle. Oh, don't close back above. Fuck with.
And JJ's gonna close back down.
GJ, no. We don't talk about Bruno. Right. Right. So closing kind of nicely over here. Closing kind of nicely.
Oh, I need a win. I'm in drawdown. Every time I take a payout, I can't fucking stay back above.
It's because you fucking miss so many sessions.
Oh, I can't help it. I know. I'm either still at work or I'm fucking annoying.
Did you get your account back off Ben?
Oh yeah, got it back ages ago.
Yeah.
Ben just fucking runs that bitch up.
Where is he? What's he doing?
AJ is closing above too.
No.
Yeah, AJ. It's just old. It's just the highs. Fucking...
I don't know if Benny's on.
Yeah, it's a little zone on daily at 94.450.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I can see.
Yeah, I mean, filling that wick is like 20 pips, which is okay, I suppose.
Don't do it, gold.
Don't do it, gold. Come back up over here, you pussy boy. Yeah, we'll see. This may just fill it. And I'll not be impressed. Need subtitles for these Aussie guys. What? You need subtitles? They're fucking easy to understand.
Subtitles. Jesus.
Subtitles.
Right. We're the fucking God's race.
Fucking God's race.
Yeah, I don't know where that came from, to be honest.
For that fucking comedian, man.
Yeah, maybe jokes from the night.
Yeah. Okay, let's take a look over here.
Oh, I wish it just did this straight away.
How much is stop speed right now? Oh, 32 pips. Holy fuck. Yeah.
Large.
Rather large. My issue is like 1917 is right here, man. Oh, don't know if I want to take it. Yeah, it's kind of rough. If it was just a little bit lower, because see, look on the left hand side here. I mean, it's all right. It's just the fucking 4 hour in the daily. It's literally right here. I just know I'm gonna take a sell and we're gonna get fucking rejected. Like, look how many times it's done it on the day of the year. I mean, let's look at this top wick now. Oof, oof. How much would it be in getting on the low stop loss above? 25 pips. I just don't really want to get in on the flip because it's right there. It's right at 1917. We could see getting on the low here. Stop loss above. That's 20 pips. The 30-minute hasn't closed either, but let's look at this 5-minute. Yeah, we'll have to see. Is AJ closed above? So AJ's closed above on the 15. I fucking hate 15 wicks that are like this. So when a 15-minute candle closes bullish above, but the wick of the candle's already wicked kind of far, and look to the left, it's literally just wicked that area. I am not taking buys there. Hell no!
Oh, that literally shouts, stay away.
Yeah. So 17 pips in the flip now. Looking like it's rejected it pretty hard. Damn, Daniel. Is anyone on YouTube still looking at this gold? Are they wanting to get in the flip now? It's nice, but it's kind of a bit aggressive for me. Look at the 5 minutes, came all the way back up. The 30 minutes potentially flipping and rejecting that area again. Hourly hasn't closed below either. Oof. Hard one, hard one. These are the ones that can really like screw you up, man. Because you're like, yeah, let's get in. I'm gonna give it a bit more time over here, maybe. There's only 12 minutes left for the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame may be a little bit more advantageous, maybe. 22 pips stop. It's a hard one. Just quickly go to the toilet, guys. Someone saying, what about GJ? GJ, we already took like a paper trade over here to come back, but it hasn't closed above this minor resistance and also this big resistance, so it kind of sucks. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Right. So, I mean, 9 minutes left. Kind of a lot of time in the candle, which is pretty good. What do you think about AJ Max entry on the flip? Nope, I don't like it. I just explained it before. 30-minute hasn't closed above, and it's big resistance. For me, I like having 30s closing above. Also, the 50-minute time frame has came up and rejected, so big wick to the upside. Hell no. I hate 50-minute candles that look like that. 50-minute candles that look like... 1 second. That look like that. The big fuck off wick at the top, I just don't like. Especially when it's wicking into resistance, which is here. Hell no. So gold is still valid, hasn't exceeded the high of the previous 15. Ryan Kent, Northeast Massive. Yeah, I'm from the Northeast, man. Hi, Stockness Matters. New to stream. What pairs do you trade apart from GJ and gold? AJ. Yeah, we've been introducing AJ recently because it is quite nice. The moves are pretty quick, not quick, sorry. The moves are kind of simple. They don't really, they really respect highs and lows of like previous candles. So yeah, it's kind of nice. That GJ trade was nice, guys. So as I say, if you took that trade, remember that was where you had to take your profit off. 10 pips as well, but right at resistance. That's where you got to take it off, man. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you're new here as well, and subscribe as well. All that good stuff. And yeah, we'll see. I'm still looking at gold, really, but 7 minutes left for this closure. Probably want to wait for this 30 minute to close below, because it looks like we are maybe rejecting a little bit. Just a little bit. How long did you backtest AJ before starting to trade, if you did? We haven't really, I mean, we've backtested it now quite a lot, but what we did was we kind of just watched it. We just marked the zones like we're doing here for like 2 months, and we kind of got the confidence to just take some trades in it, and they've been paying off very nicely. A lot of people in my group over here, if you take a look at, let's take a look at some people in here. Fahad has been taking beautiful trades through Asian session through AJ. We have Vincent here also taking. Vincent's taken like 9 trades on AJ recently, and he's won 8 and break even on one of them. So kind of easy. So that's why we introduced it. Yeah, it makes no sense that we trade AUD JPY because none of them are open, or well, they're closing right now. But for some reason, there's just some nice volume. Good to hear members and co-trading AJ and US30. Yeah, we also have the US 100 slaughter, which is Brian over here. Which I'm
slaughter. Yeah,
every fucking day he posts his trade. I'm like, oh my fucking god, where was it?
I watch it with my morning tea. Just check how many pips he got.
What was this
Start
one
my
here?
day.
Was that the day before? Yeah, so day before they get like this fucking nut. Then
yeah, that was the previous day. That was bigger. That was 210, 218.
Yeah, and then he got into this trade. But obviously, look, how easy is this, man? Bearish. This candle over here is closed. 1 hour's closed bearish. Make a nice top wick. Reject. Continue down. Clean candles to the left. And then you look, where should that end up to? Well, clean candles. So very, very nice, man. So yeah, US30. Brian's been slaughtering for a while now. Have you taken many losses on it? I mean, I don't think you would post them, but I haven't seen any losses really.
I'm normally at break even at about 60 to 70 pips, which runs fast. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you see, I get that entry with a trend. So for it to, the only thing that's really going to reverse it is strong support or just a bad entry. And I only take them when the entry is decent. You know what I mean? I don't. If the trend doesn't look good, I stay away from it. I close the shop.
Yeah, if it's a bit shit, you just leave it alone only when there's one set.
Like I think the smallest like put runs I've had is like 45, 50. Like nothing. Like then I just close it. When it's back.
Yeah. Max, why did you choose to trade a small balance account instead of at least a 5-digit? No, I do it for psychological reasons. My big account is still here. It's just not. It's not in any of my peripherals. I don't want to look at the big account, so I just use a small one to show people the growth, to give it, because there's no point in looking at someone on YouTube, on Instagram and on YouTube who's like making fucking 30 grand a day. Like there's no point. I mean, I'm not obviously at that level, but fuck me, like there's no point in looking at someone who's far away. I want to show relatability, so doing it on a small account, showing you can grow it is what I wanted to show. So yeah, and it means that I don't have to look at the big numbers. I just use social trader tools to copy it. DC Trading Company, yo, how's it going? We're good. How are you? Let's take a look. Are you streaming now? What have you grew your account from to now? I think it was like 1,400, and now it's 3,190, I think. So yeah, What's this called? Oh yeah. Yeah, there's getting a lot of London streamers now, which is cool, man. More people. Like trading similar. Nice.
AU looks good. Let's take a look at AU.
Oh, I like his PC. He's got some PC rig over here.
This, yeah.
I want to get my PC rig in the background, man. My PC rig is like here. Look at that. Jeez, it's glowing. It's glowing. It's like a fish tank, man. It's got the Lian Li case. Looks sick. Nice. It's nice. How long did it take you to grow that small account? I think like from December, maybe. December. What do you say, Michael? AJ flipping.
AJ is flipping, but it's 3 minutes left.
Yeah.
Not the best.
For the 30. Yeah. Ooh, gold is coming back. Look at the hourly. Yeah. Looking like a lot of new people in here through the stream, which is nice to see. Welcome everyone who's new here. So yeah, 2 minutes left. If it closes back above here, oof. What advice would you give to people growing small accounts to focus on the wins and the losses and not really the money in the account? Because you'll want to risk more, etc, etc. Focus on, just focus on the growth percentage wise. Because as I said numerous thousands of times with the spreadsheet we've got, the compounding spreadsheet, this is the one that should keep you sane, you know. So if you start with like 500 quid, I know you're not going to be hitting 20% every month for, you know, right now, but as time goes on, you may do. I'm up already fucking like 8 or 7% this month already, but that was because that gold trade was pretty nice. So let's just drag this down. Ah shit, I should have done that. 1 second. There we go. Yeah, so like the first year, if you just do it, you know, consistently, get 4% every single week, 4 or 5% every single week. By the end of the year, you'll have 1,739, which doesn't seem too much. Obviously, you can't live off that, but as this thing starts growing, the next year over here, you get to 6,700 something, and then this one goes to, you know, 29,000. So this is the year 3 to year 4 is when we start getting some big numbers. But that's the power of compounding. So yeah, so if you change this number to, you know, 1,000, or we'll just do 2,000, which is what probably people start with, then by the end of year 3 you could be at 30 grand if you can do it properly. So yeah, that's what you got to look into. It's all about the percentages. Stop thinking about the money, because the money in a small account is going to make you want to risk more. You know, you're like, oh wow, I made fucking 4 quid today, I could buy like a bloody Mackies with that. Like, stop thinking for that, just do the compounding. Stop thinking about it, man. Yeah. Yeah. You see that thing on Ted's story? This is mad, this. Where was it?
Or that 30k thing.
Yeah, fuck.
Yeah, that's fucked, man.
Yeah, he said some guys tried so many challenges and he spent over 30 grand on it. Oh my god. Yeah, where was it?
That is one resilient person.
Yeah, look, I've spent over 30 grand on trying to pass these tests in the last 2 years. I've blown over 30 grand in putting money into a real account. I passed 100k account for the first time and blew it in 6 days. Oh. Damn. Okay, so AJ actually has closed above now. Kind of a nice closure, which is kind of good. 13 pips on the low of the previous if you got in right there. It's kind of a big stop for AJ. Yeah, looks kind of interesting. We'll see. Who else is looking at this? Brian, do you like this or not? Let's get some opinions.
Sorry, I was checking something else. What is it, AJ? If that flips to go to the wick,
Yeah.
it's 6 pips,
Yeah.
7 pips, and then we're next. Then it's 7 pips. Then to the next one, it's 14 pips. So the zone's not bad, but then it's again 20 odd minutes for the 1 hour closure. So 50 minutes is the same.
Yeah. Does look good if it exceeds that high, not gonna lie, but I don't know, it's with the stops.
If the 15's coming down with, what's it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wicks already, then I'm already not liking it.
Yeah. Oh, it looks tempting now though, I don't know, I quite like it. But yeah, I mean, if this wick is coming back to previous level, 94020. I mean, if it exceeds, if flips and exceeds that high, your stop's gonna be, yeah, like 8 pips. 5 pip for the wick. It's just if it breaks it, you know. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it could come to the 4 hour zone. The bottom wick is really nice. Everyone on YouTube is like, the bottom wick's nice, man. Yeah, it is kind of nice. It won't be in a second if it exceeds this low, though.
You know, they probably haven't looked at the 4 hour, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of wicks there. Oh. So 50-minute over here is coming down back into the zone. It shouldn't really do that. I don't want to pull that hard down. AJ is also at a strong resistance. Yeah, on the 4 hour isn't too nice. You know, the candles are closing pretty with a lot of wicks. So GJ is nice. Ooh, shit. Ah, I just look at GJ and I look. You know, I look at it and I go, ooh, this looks nice. And then I look at this. 11 minutes left. Yeah, we fucking missed this. It's fucking gone. Look at that random 5-minute candle. Just comes out of fucking nowhere. Yeah, exceeding the low of the previous hourly now. Nice. It's a shame it only has 10 minutes left. You have to wait, which kind of sucks. That's funny that AJ and GJ kind of opposite right now. So over here, AJ's exceeded the low of the previous 15. So yeah, if you had buy stops on here, I'd probably leave them now. Maybe it's also exceeding the low of the previous 30. So yeah. So gold over here goes back above and pushed up. So there was no real area to take trades in there. And as you can see over here, look what we've done. We came back to 1917 and rejected off it again for like the fucking 30,000th time. How big's this zone still? Let's take a look. Let's push down a lot there. Fuck. Gulag, you can thank me later for EJ. Yeah, now Owlie's got 24 minutes left. If it closes like this, oof, it's got some really big resistance, boy. Sells below 600. I wouldn't say 600. 600 is right here, I think. I think cells below here are going to be okay. I mean, there is a little bit of resistance, support there, I suppose, but this is the main one for me. On the hourly, it's clean to come back down to 161,540. So, cells in this area could be nice to continue down. For me, 254 people in here. Let's get it, guys. Make sure to light the stream up. Still waiting patiently, but you know. We've caught them. We've called them AJ kind of levels over here that could be hard for resistance. So called them out. GJ, we got the paper trade buy that I took, which some people in the gulag would have taken. And And yeah, we're just waiting. Gold over here. So a lot of people took some entries in these areas, but I did say be careful because the left hand side, there's a lot of wicks in this area. So kind of saved some people there who got break even. So it's been actually kind of good for just showing all different trading conditions really. So a trading condition where price is kind of struggling at a higher time frame. So over here on the 4 hour, struggling to gain any sort of, you know, strong body of candles. Higher time frame on gold for supports forming. Be careful selling into them zones because they can reject pretty hard. And then also GJ over here waiting for a closure. 4 hours still hasn't exceeded the low of the previous, so you know it's still valid for buys, so we've got to be cautious here. It's pushed down quite a lot in that area, which kind of sucks, to be honest with you. This is why it's better to stay away from candles without wicks. Yes, need a little wick over here. Oh yes, people looking for sells back in the zone. Oof. Oof. How big's this zone? Oh, 32 pips. That'd be kind of nice. How much would stops be right now? Oof. Mate, these are the biggest stops I've seen on AJ for a while. What here? Yeah, we are very bullish, so taking sells here wouldn't probably be the best because the 4 hour isn't really too far. I mean, it's only 10 pips away, but it's not with me really. It's not like there, you know. It's kind of a little bit further down in the zone. I mean, if the 30-minute, not 30-minute. I mean, yeah, if the 30-minute closes like this and then makes a top wick and then rejects, damn, the shit's coming down. It's going to be an inverse turtle soup. An inverse turtle soup. Let's take a look at the news later on. Yeah, Treasury 3 o'clock, but nothing much actually, which is okay. Which is okie dokie. Wow, 250 people here, 64 likes. Amazing work, guys. Amazing work this morning. I want a nice trade, but fuck, man, it's kind of hard finding one right now. It's kind of hard, man. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. So 5 minutes left on GJ, looking like it's coming back all the way up into its little zone over here. So you can class this as like zone 1. 1 second. This is zone 1. This is zone 2. I wanted us to push through to zone 2, but it's already kind of pushed in kind of hard and filled that wick up, so that kind of sucks a little bit. That's why I was so annoyed that I was here. It had 11 minutes left. I'm like, oh shit. It's just gonna push. If you got in there, how many stops? Pips would you got? Oh, 9 pips. Oof. 9 pepperoonies. Full margin GJ buys. Yes. 5 minutes close bullish back above. I would not be selling GJ right now. Yeah, it's retracing all the way back up. Jeez. Let's take a look at Champion Pips over here. I got him on. Let's take a look and see what he's saying.
Grim plays above 90.
Shout out Champion Pips, man. He's doing well. He hasn't done this for long either.
You have a nice, very nice clean range on gold.
Very nice. I want to know what controller did. I know he took a trade yesterday. Did he take a win or a loss? Did he take a win or a loss? Oh, he took a loss over here. gold buys. I swear these worked out later on.
You can do a lot of stuff in 28 minutes here.
Oh my god, they did as well. That just tap him out. Let's take a look. Oh, that sucks. That it stopped him out and then launched. It looked like it literally just tapped him as well.
Oh wow. GJ flipped too. You put a bottom wick, 9 pips. Should fill his wick now and come out.
Interesting. Controller later took GJ buys as well. Oh, nice. Did they work out? Oh, 1 loss and 1 break even. Ah, okay. So kind of a tough day yesterday. Yeah, I just took a gold paid my bills yesterday, but GJ was just boring. But getting our 3 pips was tasty. Yeah, as I say, I say this all the time. You know, if you're in a trade and it's just not going well, and you've got a time to get out, like pretty much break even or reducing your stop, just get it. Just take it off. Just take it off and come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow and do it all again. Gold back up. Yes, gold is back up over here, which is kind of what I suggested, unless we've got a nice closure below. Kind of what I expected over here. And that's an example, actually, guys, of where maybe getting on the flips I was kind of cautious about, because it is literally just at the fucking support. So getting in on maybe the lows would have been a bit more advantageous. Oh my god. You're a Goldie. What spreadsheet? The compounding one. It's in the thing. Compounding. So yeah, if you are Brian over here and you got 100%, and let's just make this to this is what you have to do over here. So if this is Brian, if you're Brian, then this is what your spreadsheet should look at. So in the first year, you should be at 409. Wait, what was that? What the fuck is what number is that? Wait 1 second. 409.
More than 6 numbers.
Yeah, it's 4 million.
4,096,000 something.
Definitely not there yet. Yeah.
That's done at $2,000, but you just double it every single month, man. Fuck. Shit. By the time you're in year 4, shit, man, you could be. It's way too many numbers.
The fuck is that?
I don't even know what number that is. Imagine that 100% gain each month. Oh. If you got that and like you could like prove you, I mean 100%.
There has to be somebody out there that has done that. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. For sure. I mean, you've already done 1 month of it, it's nearly there.
Yeah, but that's just it's not to say it's gonna happen again.
No. But if you get maybe like
there's somebody out there that's got to have a track record of history of just having like a year of 95% gain.
That's ridiculous, though. Yeah.
Imagine that. There's got to be there's got to be a handful out there.
Yeah.
Send a month challenge if someone wants to do it. Start with $100 and you finish the month with 187,000 or something like that.
Wow, that's ridiculous. Yeah. So I mean, GJ's come back up on the 15 minutes closed back above this area. Kind of sucks. AJ is struggling, man. Closed bearish back below the zone. Oh. I think I'd wait for the 30 to get the sells maybe. So yeah, gold's coming back to 4-hour and daily flips. Gold has been in this area for so long now, man. It's just been sitting in it for fucking ages. ages, man.
Oh.
Ages and ages and ages. There was a video on this guy who started with 200 and shorted oil and went to 120k. Wow. Just caught it at the right time. Yeah, the thing is, that's just luck though. Like, the probability that's gonna happen again is just so low. Some people just have some good luck, man. Like for me, like I've never had any luck with news. Like for example, like just being in a trade, random news comes out and it pumps up. Like I've never had that ever.
We got that once.
Oh,
in gold.
Gold
Gold
yeah,
one day.
Maybe, yeah. A buy.
Yeah. And we all closed our position, and then it just went boom.
Yeah, boom. Yeah, exactly. So we didn't really get it. We didn't really get it. It's just a second.
No, we didn't get it. I was playing with our lives.
Yeah. Gold's so hard, man. Because like, for new people like trying to hold it on, they're like, yeah, just keep on fucking pumping, because they've seen it once like launch, and then they don't like fucking take any money out of it, and they're like, oh shit. Gold is a fucking bitch.
Yep, been there.
That's why for me now, like, I'm on my fucking trigger finger, man. I'm getting my, quick, easy win, and then dipping.
You can't remember what it feels like to take a winning position.
You literally missed the whole of fucking last week and the week before. It's fucking retarded.
I needed some. It's just caught up with me. Like staying up till midnight and working and stuff. I was fucking knackered.
Yeah, that's fair.
Fucking typical.
Literally. Yeah, like end of March, fucking paid for the whole of like February and January and shit. Good last 2 weeks there. Nice.
Thinking about doing another challenge soon, I reckon.
Another one?
Might try another one. Bigger one.
A bigger one. Oh shit. A
big
beefy
boy.
one. How much in total have you been paid out then? Of your
I don't know, 6,000 or something.
That's not bad.
That's not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
Maybe. Yeah, I don't know, something like that.
That's not bad at all. That's great.
Definitely not complaining.
Yeah.
I fluked it to get the account as well.
That's fucking mad.
I was on my last 2 days or something.
Yeah.
Talking to Sachin and Scott, and I was like, yeah, alright, boys, I'll load some 15 lotters up. And they all just flew.
Really?
Yeah. I did 8% in like 2 days.
That's fucking mad.
Yep, it was great.
That is well funny, that.
Actually, and then when I passed phase 2, we had a new thing on GJ as well. Remember, I remember it happening.
Oh yeah.
Because I was at like 10 pips, and then boom, it just dropped to 35, and I'm like, yes.
I got the funded account. Ignacio here is fucking sweating his nuts off. Like, man, I just need this fucking last trade. He's not in here.
Was he close? Is he?
He's up like 3.6% on a phase 2 200k.
Oh.
Just need 0.4%. But last week this motherfucker didn't take any of my trades. Last week and the week before he didn't take any of them. I just fucking press the button, and then this week he takes one and it's a fucking 10 pip loss. I'm like, oh my god. Take every trade. Stop fucking picking them.
Yeah. That would be nice, a 200k account.
Yeah. Ooh. That would be. Well, how much? Which one's yours right now?
50.
50, yeah.
That's still not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all.
Yeah, boy. Imagine just taking 10% every week on the 200k account. That'd be alright.
Yeah. just do a Brian 100% that bitch for the whole month. Oh, shit.
We need to learn to trade US 30, don't we, or whatever he trades.
Yeah. Wonder if he's still got her 600k account. Oh yeah, I wonder. I know.
Ryan, his account would be surely getting pretty beefy if he's doubled it in a month.
Yeah.
Beefy.
Beefy. Nah, he's just got his South African rands in, man. It probably has like 10 billion pounds of it. It's just South African rands. Is it in that currency, Brian? But your account looks fucking wham.
No, I trade at US dollar account.
Oh, right.
Because I get the exchange rate.
Yeah,
See?
yeah.
So what's the exchange rate today? 14.6.
Yeah.
So it just makes sense for me to whatever I earn, I times it by 14.
Hi, I signed up today, just saying hello. Hello, Ronald. Yes, I've added you to the drive. It's all ready to go. You can look at all the webinars and stuff, and I'll see you for NY. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, I mean, 30 minutes closing in 7 minutes' time. Yeah, it's struggling, man. It's struggling. But that's kind of what you got the little kind of 50-minute here. Oh, that rejection there, right, with the rejection before. Kind of hard to push above, I think. I'm in phase 2, my Forex fund 20k. Nice. What's the split on my Forex fund? Ronald is another Aussie to add to the collection. Yeah, let's take a look at my my mates now in a second. I think they're what are they even called, man? I don't even know. Let's just go to following. Oh, it's not in order. She's got like Sheila's. Let's see, oh, there. Sydney Sheila's. What the fuck? Where are they up to now? Yeah, they all got jobs because apparently they were there for like a month and they've spent like $3 grand. Let's take a look. Yeah, look, they work for this company now, Volley. Do you know what this is, Finn?
Yo, so I just literally just put my headset back on.
Do you know this company? Volley.
Volley.
Yeah.
As in the shoes?
No, it's like a delivery. It might not be where you're from. This is Sydney.
Sydney. So many Asians in Sydney. Just one of your boys, is it?
Yeah, all of them they're all on holiday. They're just fucking about. But I said like they had to get a job because in the first month they spent like $3 grand. Like
Jesus.
shit.
Yes, Sydney's probably the most expensive part of this country.
Yeah. Damn, man, this AJ is coming down. Yeah. I mean, shit, if it makes a top wick up here, which is 10 pips and flips, man, because it's kind of close to the low wick here, the 4 hour now. Should maybe reflip. The hourly's closing bearish below, rejecting, so should fill the zone up really. Jason, you should be doing Ramadan. Jason's on YouTube. Wait, let me don't take any funny trades. Jason, man, you should be doing Ramadan. You're cheating. Oh, don't push all the way down before we close in 4 minutes time. Come on, give me some fucking space to get in. Ah, sucks, man. Yeah, been kind of a choppy session for these. They're being like giving me some kind of, oh, we could get some trades here, but then they kind of reverse straight off it, so it kind of sucks. Just saying hi. Oh, Jason, I miss you already, man. I can't believe Jason's taking off his whole month though. That's some dedication, man. Does that mean he takes off work as well? He's like, ah, fuck you guys, I'm not doing any work. It's Ramadan.
I've tried Ramadan, and personally for me, I got exhausted the entire month.
Really?
I did not get used to it. I got exhausted. To work was ass. To stay up and watch the charts was ass. It was really tireful. Yeah.
So what's the rules again?
You cannot eat during the day.
Is that it?
And you
That's
cannot drink water during the day. You cannot drink anything and eat anything during the day.
Oh,
No, nothing.
Nothing.
You can only eat and drink when the sun dips.
Yeah, when the sun goes down, you can eat and drink as much as you want, and when the sun goes up, you are not allowed to, well, eat or drink until it goes down
it's
again.
the water for me. Like, my fucking head gets banging if I don't. I'll be having do you have headaches and shit? Oh, no water all day. Wow, man, that's mad. Shit, man, like some Muslims in my school and shit were doing like GCSEs and shit, and they had no water. Oh, I let revise and shit. When I was younger, I had something, I don't know what it was, but if I got dehydrated, I'd lose my eyesight. It would just go fuzzy. I couldn't fucking see shit. It was very, very odd. Scarlet, wait, you can't drink water. Okay, that's rough. Yeah, I was thinking the food thing might be alright. Like, you just get a bit hungry, but water, like, damn. I need. Like, I've always got a drink next to me. It's easy to go to fast if you go clubbing for a month. Ah, yeah. Oh shit, because you're also tired as well. Because you have to fucking stay up. Oh my god, that's awful. So that means then, if you live where Vincent is, you can't really do Ramadan. You just fucking die, isn't it? Because Vincent, do you have all
in about 4 weeks, the sun doesn't set.
Yeah, the sun doesn't set, so you're fucked.
So the sun sets about an hour, and in 2 months' time, the sun doesn't set for weeks at a time. So you'd be dead.
Shit. So there isn't that many.
Can you do hunting there, Vincent?
No, I don't hunt. I just fish. Everybody else here, or almost everybody else does. I didn't grow up here, so I'm not used to hunting. I'm considering it, but I don't know. I go on hunting trips with the neighbors sometimes.
I would do it.
Neighbors. You would do it.
Yeah. It's like a nice time to spend some time in the forest.
Yeah.
Because they say they're out hunting, but they actually sit, drink coffee, and have a nice time.
Yeah.
Just to get away from home, I guess.
Yeah.
But my boy is getting used to the life, because last summer we were over the neighbors, and they had shot a moose the day before, and all the remains were in the bucket of the tractor. My boy was only 3.5 that time, and he looked at it and he turned to me and said, "Daddy, this one is dead." And then he walked off to the ATV because that went broom broom. So there was a giant dead moose lying there. It was like, "This one is dead." Okay. And he moved on. And when I take him fishing and we catch a fish, I always ask him, "What do we do? Should we put it back so we can catch it later so it can grow bigger?" And he said, "No, kill it, eat it." He's a real wilderness boy.
It's healthy and help boost your immune system. I don't know. Does it? Fair.
No ways.
Yeah.
The body needs fuel. How's that going to help your immune system?
Yeah, you should be dying.
Yeah.
So this 30-minute candle's closed very solidly in. I kind of wish I just got in on and went a bit ballsy and got in like there, the stop loss above. But yeah, looking like it's kind of not really making much of a top wick now. Flipping the 4 hour, the hourly also closed bearish, so it should theoretically continue back down to the support. So this is kind of the move I wanted, but yeah, there's no top wick left, and it's kind of pushed in kind of far. But to show people what that move is, it's this one. 1 second. Yeah. So now with the 4 hour over here, it should come and pass it, flip, and then fill the zone. So you see, you got my 4 hour flip over here. Should come, make the top wick, and then drive down. The only issue I have is this zone here is kind of choppy, so I don't know if I'd want to take that now. I'd rather get in a little bit higher up here and take my 10 pips there. GJ's looking like garbage again. Fucking hell. If you guys have traded GJ this week, God bless your soul, because it has been fucking boring. Been very, very boring. And GJ's kind of just... sorry, GJ, golden zone. I'm going to give it like 15 minutes or so, and then we'll chill. We fill our body with food the whole year. One might have break from that. Kind of makes sense to me. Ah, fair enough. Who made Jason a moderator? Where the fuck is he? Jason's a moderator. I want some like gulag people to come into the chat, and Jason just there like, you are banned now. 4 hour time frames. You've got 57 minutes left. Do you really know how they're gonna close? I mean, I don't really. I can't really see much. I don't know if this is gonna close strongly above. If it goes strongly above, could be kind of nice. But yeah, kind of struggling there. Gold is just in this little zone. And make sure to come and follow me on Instagram, guys. I think towards the end of this week we'll do a Magic Keys giveaway, maybe. Q2 is boring. Yeah, start of Q2 has been a bit boring. Just a little bit. Will you be here tomorrow? Yes. Yes. We'll be here tomorrow. For NY session, I have to do something at 12:30, which kind of sucks, but hopefully it doesn't last too long. Then I'll be back on it. Yeah. So we'll see. But yeah, looking like kind of a slow day. It's been a slow week, to be honest with you. Not really nice trades, really. Apart from gold. Gold's been okay. The other pairs have been kind of ass. If you take a look throughout the whole session, let's take a look actually. I like doing this just to go over like where maybe you missed some moves, how could you have got them. Maybe that one this morning I may have been able to take, but it was kind of risky. It was just in a zone. I was just using the 8 AM volume to continue. So right, let's just
sorry.
It's alright. Yeah, let's do this here, and then let's do this here. Ah shit, that's way too much. 1 second, sorry. Being a bit retarded over here. Okay, yes, it's kind of like in these sections here. You can see. Yeah, so look. So if you have looked at GJ this week, or since Friday, look at the moves. Okay, so here nothing, range. Here range. Here range. Here range. So it hasn't been nice. So if you haven't taken any trades in GJ the past couple of days, then fair enough. There really hasn't been that much. The moves have happened a little bit later on at 2 o'clock there, a little bit later on at 2 o'clock there, but our session right now has just been pretty boring, so that's fine. How can you carry your own simulation to go over a past week? Wait, what? I'm so confused. Does anyone get what that means? How can you carry your own simulation to go over a past week?
Backtesting software.
Oh yeah, use soft for FX. So yeah, that's the software we use, man. That's the software we use. Yeah, it's like $100 or something. That's, but yeah, it's not too bad. It works pretty well actually. Still might take some GJ buys at a 15-13 close. I don't know, man. It's just in the zone for me. Unless it pushes up a little higher. A little higher. I always crack the file, Brian, you hacker. Chelsea and Real Madrid later. Who will win? This is the software, guys. I think Real Madrid are going to win. The Manchester City game last night. Oh my god. Why wasn't Foden on the pitch fucking earlier, man? He should have been on fucking in right at the start. The second he gets on, he fucking assists. Yeah, my boys, take care. Tomorrow might be better for FOMC today. Peace out. Yeah. Wait, is FOMC today? Oh yeah, 7 o'clock. Great. There's 1 hour left for 4 hour to close. Let it close bullish, then we can wait for the next 4 hour to make a bottom wick and retest the range. Yes, exactly. That's probably what we'd like to see, I think. That's what I would like to see. For the time being. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, man, like even like just the range itself. Like, look, there's wicks here. There's wicks here. The body of the candles are small. It's just in a very hard area. Foden is more talented than Greenwood. Facts. Yeah, Foden's class. Foden is class. FOMC equals volume. Yeah, but shame it's at 7 o'clock at fucking night. I'm not trading then. Hell no. And if it is, it's pretty much just a massive liquidity run with where spreads go fucking flying. So I'm like, hell no. So my issue with GJ, right, is this. So this is the resistance. There's also resistance here. There's also resistance here. So is the zone that you're looking to take trades in nice? No, it's not. Was the zone down here nicer to take trades in? Yes, it was. Okay, so that's what you got to go through, like, for yourself. And you go, is it really worth it? Like, it's 10 pips to squeeze. There's a lot of resistances. So is it worth it? That's the main question. Breaking previous lows. Yep. Yeah, it's just which one is my resistance? Is it there? Is it there? It's just hard, man. It's hard, man. Is anyone thinking about getting in? How are they getting in? Is it this closure? Are you just not going to think about this here? Someone tell me. Yeah. We'll see someone maybe on YouTube may want to take it. Yeah. The 30-minute push. Let's wait for the 15. Yeah, we'll see what the 15 does if it closes. Yeah. How much are stops right now? Stops are huge anyway, so that kind of sucks as well. It's a lot of things that are not giving me much, promising. 18 pips for a stop loss right now. Probability of W not strong enough for me on GJ. Yeah, I quite like that. Probability of not W. Sorry, probability of W is not strong. I like that. So I will not be taking, because you want W's. I mean, maybe later on. Let's see, 49 minutes left for this 4 hour. Really should stop pushing above over here. 162, 360 would be nice. GJ ranging, yeah. Maybe buys above here later on. 162, 120 would be nice. So yeah, we'll see. How do you check for spread on a pair at a particular time? I see there's a screen that you pulled before. You go to view and then market watch on, and you get this. Shows you all the spreads. Shows you all the spreads. Not every day is a trading day, exactly. I mean, yeah. Yesterday. Well, I've been saying that all fucking week, to be honest. It's been pretty shit. Yeah, let's look at AJ for the past couple of days as well. And kind of a rad move here at 6 AM. There was some little buys here that people got, actually, was kind of nice up here. That one there. That one there, sorry. Yeah, let's take a look through NY. Yeah, pre-NY has been garbage again. So yeah, it's been hard, man. What you're gonna do is, if you do take trades in these areas, you know, you got to manage your risk, make sure you're losing a lot less. You know, I've taken 3 trades, 3 losing trades, right? I've taken 5 or 6 trades overall, 3 losing trades, 3 winners, I think. But the losing trades overall, they equate to about 18 pips, I think. 18 pips, so 18 pips when I should have lost 30, you know, 12 pip difference just from managing risk. So it really reduces them when prices are moving pretty crap. So wait, let's take a look. Max, if this 30-minute closes, would you enter on the flip? I'm probably going to wait for a closure above here. 162, 120, I think. Hey Max, will you ever drop a video about managing risk? Yeah, I've got it on the drive, but I'll probably do one for YouTube as well. Some point maybe. Caught 20 pips in GG on the 5-minute. Oof. We're down at 162. Sorry, where at? To 162. Oh shit, okay. Nice. You got in like here. Oh, and that 5-minute closure there. Nice. Yeah, that was an aggressive one, but it seemed to work. Stop loss was 10 pips in the previous 5-minute. Very strong closure though, so that was kind of an interesting way of looking at it, for sure. So, GJ's closing, or did close, I don't know, 40 seconds left. Big win, small losses video. Yeah, I swear I've done a video on YouTube about that already. I did think that. So yeah, all you got to do here is measure the zone, okay? So if your stops are going to be 17 pips and your gains 10, it's going to be pretty garbage on GJ. Pretty garbage. So yeah, for me, I'm just going to wait later on above over here, which is going to be fine. It's going to be great. Buys above 1925 on gold could be nice to come back above. Looking like it's rejecting that level again. But as I say, as people said before, it is FOMC, so it may just range. A bit more aggressive, but I think it's still comfortable. So if you make closure in... Okay, nice wick rejection going to break the high. What if it does a crucial 8 to 12 pip wick? It's just not worth it for me, I don't think. Because there's also a resistance here. You know what I mean? So, fuck that. Considering I've had quite a tough time with GJ, am I really looking for this trade? Like, am I just trying to find it? There's also resistance there that happened at 2 o'clock. I mean, you could potentially get in on the high here and try and push it, but for me, I'm not going to be risking that. Yeah, 0.35. It closed below. Yeah, it did. Yeah, good work, man. What was your view on GU? Send me a chart, but I'm pretty sure recently it's just been ranging pretty crap. Oh my god, I want some nice shots, boy. Give me something good. But we'll see. You know, the last couple weeks, you saw a really big change of how things moved. It's much nicer. So yeah, you got to just chill when it doesn't do this anymore. I want the 1 hour to close above the 950. The 1 hour? Oh right, yeah, for later on for sure. So flipping up here, exceeding the high. Yeah, 5 minutes looking clean though, but yeah, it's just right at resistance. Hell no, don't want to play with that. So yeah guys, I think I'll leave it off here. No trades today, which kind of sucks. I haven't had many trades yet, but it is only the start of the month. You know, got a long way to go. Looking like GJ may push over here, might scrape 10 pips, but as I say, make sure to take profits right here, because the body of the candle is where the price is going to come to. But yeah, for me there's nothing much I can see, so I'm going to wait later on, and I'll see you guys at NY session. So see you later, Zoom. Adios amigos.
See you later, Max.
Homework's coming later on, and I'll see you guys later, man. Peace out. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much, man. Adios amigos. Make sure to like the stream, subscribe before you leave, and if you guys do want to join the mentorship and join NY session, the private group, make sure to come and join the link over here. Put this on there. Oh, 1 second. And yeah, and if not, I'll see you guys. Oh my god, I can't fucking spell mentorship. I'll see you guys tomorrow. But yeah, with the mentorship, you'll just get all of the simulations, all of the webinars. You get access to the NY session and also drop-in sessions where you can ask one-to-one questions. So if you do need some extra little help, make sure to come and sign up. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Peace out. Adios, amigos.